The panda, also known as the giant panda, is a bear native to China. It is a national symbol of China and is considered to be one of the most beloved animals in the world. Pandas have a distinctive black and white coat, with black fur around their eyes, on their ears, and on their limbs. They are primarily herbivorous and mainly eat bamboo, but they will also eat other plants and occasionally small animals. Pandas are an endangered species, with only around 1,800 remaining in the wild. The main threats to their survival are habitat loss, fragmentation, and degradation, as well as poaching and illegal hunting. Conservation efforts are underway to protect pandas and their habitat, including the establishment of reserves and breeding programs in zoos around the world. In addition to their striking appearance and cultural significance, pandas have several interesting biological features. For example, they have a unique thumb-like structure made from an elongated wrist bone, which they use to grasp bamboo stems and leaves. Pandas are also known for their low reproductive rate, with females typically giving birth to only one cub every 2 to 3 years. The cubs are born blind and helpless, weighing only around 100 grams, and they rely entirely on their mother for care and nourishment. Pandas are considered to be a flagship species for conservation, meaning that efforts to protect them and their habitat can benefit many other species that share the same ecosystem. By protecting pandas and their habitat, we can also help to preserve the rich biodiversity of the forests and mountains of China. Pandas are also important for their role in maintaining the bamboo forests where they live. By eating bamboo and spreading its seeds, pandas help to regulate the growth of these important forests, which provide habitat for many other species and help to protect watersheds and prevent soil erosion. Efforts to protect pandas and their habitat have been ongoing for many years, and have involved a combination of conservation measures, research, and public awareness campaigns. These efforts have included the establishment of protected areas, the enforcement of laws against poaching and illegal logging, and the promotion of sustainable development practices in rural areas. Conservation organizations and governments around the world have also worked to support panda breeding programs in zoos, which have helped to increase the population of captive pandas and have provided valuable insights into panda biology and behavior. These programs have also helped to build public awareness and support for panda conservation efforts, both in China and around the world. In recent years, there have been some encouraging signs of progress in panda conservation. The International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) recently downgraded the status of the giant panda from endangered to vulnerable, indicating that the species has made significant strides toward recovery. According to the latest survey conducted in 2014, there were around 1,800 pandas living in the wild in China, up from a low of around 1,000 in the 1980s. This increase is due to the success of conservation efforts, such as the creation of protected areas, the enforcement of laws against poaching and illegal logging, and the restoration of degraded habitats. In conclusion, the panda is a remarkable animal that has captured the hearts and imaginations of people around the world. By working together to protect pandas and their habitat, we can help to preserve one of the world's most iconic and beloved species and ensure a healthy and vibrant planet for future generations.